Welcome back guys to our series of vlogs on Singapore Bird Paradise at Mandai Wildlife Reserve. We are on part 2 where we are featuring the different bird sanctuaries inside this park. And we are talking about huge sanctuaries where birds are freely able to fly around with other birds and humans too. If you haven't done so yet, please watch part 1 first so you'll get to see the route to this place and other park features such as the Wing Sanctuary, where the majestic Philippine eagle is, and the Penguin Cove. For this part 2, let us begin.
Hello. One of them.
Tawny frog mouth, master camouflager. Where? Dapat nandito yung eagle eh. Pero bird is so cute. It's pissed off, I guess. How I wish they just put our Philippine eagle here. Oh, this is a small bird.
You see that one hanging up?
Oh yeah.
It's eclectus, right?
Yeah. It's an eclectus. Fortunately, it's not yet very hot because it's cloudy. I like this. Today, I think this area here, we saw some birds not really attacking, but approaching people a while ago. It's a red eclectus, right? Where's the large bird? Oh, yeah. Yun ang gusto namin alagaan, no, Baba? It's a female one. It's a female eclectus, right? It was a brilliant idea that they put the feeding areas near the walkway. This is one of the ways that allow the visitors to see the birds up close. Nevertheless, we noticed that many birds in the different sanctuaries are truly comfortable being near humans. These three are my favorite birds here in the sanctuary. Of course, that's the eclectus, male eclectus. Oh, nice! Wow.
See. Children, see. Just go.
Very beautiful. Ganda, no? Ganda ng mga dito, no? These are my favorite birds in this sanctuary so far. In between sanctuaries, there'll be an air-conditioned area where you can sit and rest first and freshen up too, as there are toilets available. You will definitely appreciate this, especially when it's extremely hot and humid outside. So now we're going to this sanctuary of hornbills, spoonbills, and pelicans. So what's good about this is in between sanctuaries, right? You have that like air-conditioned room where you can, just freshen up. And there are toilets as well. Okay. So apparently it's netted. By the way, we visited the park on a weekday. It was Wednesday then, and there were a few people inside. I don't think I'll ever want to come here on a weekend or when it's a holiday. Just imagine the crowd, the heat, and the toxicity everywhere. Generally, visitors are not allowed to come very close to the birds, let alone touch them. However, What can you do if the birds themselves want to be near you, like this tour guide of
There are
ours
two
that
of
you
them.
see now?
Yeah, you can touch, oh. You can touch. So after that tour, now we're here again in this air-conditioned room. They even have bean bags, and they're showing like videos of everything about birds. Apparently, nice. Okay, so this is another sanctuary. Nice. Oh, it's everything about parrots, I suppose. There's one of them greeting us. Wow, it's a huge place. Nice. Okay, so sige nga. Yo, Gab, it wants to go. Come to you. Huh? Yeah, your hand, your hand. No. Stretch out your hand there. Go. Yo. The parrots here are super friendly. Nice. Songs of the forest. It's great to see that the birds here are seemingly just free. Seemingly, because of course, there's a huge net on top of them. Well, technically, it's still a cage. Hmm? This is where the flamingos are. There they are. Ano yun? Wow. Wow, ganda oh. A tree of flamingos. They're all literally perched on top of that tree. Ganda. Precious. Food for the birds. So this is the reason pala for the tree of flamingos that we saw a while ago. It says birds stay in large flocks to make it difficult for predators to single out any one bird. So we see that over there. So So I can imagine, guys, that when it's super hot, then staying just nearby that falls is gonna be truly refreshing. So this is where all the parrots are.